Would you like to learn how to start and scale a wholesale business on Amazon in a bulletproof way? Well, then I've got some great news to all our ScanUnlimited members. Welcome to Zero to Freedom. So, what is Zero to Freedom? It's a video course on how to create a wholesale business from scratch and how to scale it in a smart and sustainable way. Starting an Amazon wholesale business can be one of the best decisions of your life. I know many Amazon sellers who started, and it has given them a lot of freedom and allowance to quit that 9 to 5. So whenever you aspire to break free from that 9 to 5 grind, seek the flexibility to work on your own terms, or you simply desire a profitable, sustainable business, the Amazon business wholesale model can be an excellent choice. There are though certain tricks and rules within the wholesale formula that most people are unaware of. And without understanding these key elements, most individuals fail to build the business of their dreams. Here comes Zero to Freedom. Zero to Freedom is an online video course that will teach you how to start and scale an Amazon wholesale business from zero, discover the right products, source them effectively, and scale the business model to create a profitable, long-term, and sustainable venture. If you want to take your online wholesale business to the next level, Zero to Freedom video course is the best resource to do that. It comprises of 18 video lessons featuring discussions by Filip Araujo, the founder of ScanUnlimited, and me, Filip Maciejewicz, the GM, General Manager of the tool. We delve into the most effective systems and practices for Amazon wholesale. Zero to Freedom is now accessible to all Unlimited Plus members. If you are not yet a Plus member, you need to do is upgrade your subscription within the ScanUnlimited dashboard. How to do it? You can do it easily from in-app level by going to the upper right corner and clicking on the user icon. Then choosing the subscription tab. There you can upgrade to Plus plan and instantly you will be able to access Zero to Freedom. And one more great thing about the Plus plan, you get access to other premium features as well. But let's go for a moment back to Zero to Freedom and talk about the good stuff. Let's talk about what you'll learn from the course, and I'm going to break down to you all 18 video lessons available from you. Lesson number 1. Setting up your business, deciding on the niche. In lesson number 2, you'll learn how much money do you need to start Amazon wholesale, and do you really need a warehouse? In lesson 3, we talk about the smartest ways to finding the best wholesale products. And in lesson 4, we cover everything you need to have to successfully open wholesale accounts with brands and distributors. In lesson 5, we discuss how to do detailed product analysis the right way so you don't lose money on the wrong products and find the golden nuggets. Lesson number 3, we're picking your product winners and we'll talk about common pitfalls to avoid along the way. In lesson 7, we talk about when and who should you fire first and hire first, and how big order should your orders be at the beginning and later on. With lesson 8, we cover step-by-step walkthrough of sample ASINs, and we discuss which ones would we source and which we would not touch. Lesson 9, we discuss how many suppliers should you reach out to and how to vet your suppliers in order not to get scammed. And then lesson number 10, we discuss trade shows. Attending them, is it yes or no? Lesson 11, you'll get a comprehensive guide to creating purchase orders, how to do it the right way. Lesson number 12, we'll talk about how to increase your capital and which software should you use as a wholesale seller. Lesson number 13, virtual assistants, should you? And we talk about getting seller feedback and all that important stuff. Lesson 14, the importance of price and ranking history when deciding on your products. Lesson 15, biggest challenging when scaling your wholesale businesses. In lesson 16, we'll discuss FBA or FBM. Which one should you choose? Lesson 17, we go over tips and tricks to repricing your inventory the right way. And repricing is almost always 50 to 60% of your success. And at lesson 18, we discuss 8 expert strategies to a sustainable, profitable business in Amazon Wholesale. So, if you're looking for a beginner course to kickstart your Amazon seller business, or if you're already on the path to greater revenue and profits, Zero to Freedom is a course you can't afford to miss. The course is available now to all Unlimited Plus members, and new lessons are going to be released every 2 days from the moment you sign up. To begin your journey towards creating the robust Amazon wholesale business, you simply need to upgrade your plan to Unlimited Plus. And the old, somehow cliche, but undeniably true saying goes, the most valuable investment you can make is in yourself, right? So with Zero to Freedom, you are destined to establish a thriving, profit-generating wholesale business and follow the rules and tricks of people who did so. It's your personal mentors recorded, so you can go back to it at any point. Zero to Freedom is now accessible to all Unlimited Plus members. If you are not yet a Plus member, all you need to do is upgrade your subscription within the ScanUnlimited dashboard. You can do that from either the www.scanunlimited.com pricing page and login, or you can go to the in-app dashboard. You go to the upper right corner and click on the user icon, then you choose the subscription tab. There you can upgrade to Plus plan and instantly you'll get access to Zero to Freedom first lessons. Another great thing about the Plus plan, you'll get access to other premium features we've prepared only for ScanUnlimited Plus members. But that's something I'll be discussing in other videos on this channel and within app. And you can always watch a video for each of the Premium Plus features by going to the Unlimited Plus tab in the nav bar on the left-hand side of the app and choosing any of the features. They always have a video tutorial you can watch. Thank you for spending a couple minutes with me today. I hope to see you inside Zero to Freedom. Let's create and scale a freedom business for yourself together.